Hi guys, I'm outside. My hair's a little wet. I had to cool off. I'm in the house getting some things done. I said, oh, I'm going to come out here and talk to you guys about the Mona Lisa. So, I don't know if you guys like art, but I do. And I love going to look at art and things like that. I don't get to do that very often, but when I do, I really enjoy it. The Mona Lisa has been stolen a few times, and I think that's one of the reasons why she is famous. The first time, they didn't even find out about it for 26 hours. And I guess some guys took her and put her in their clothing and snuck down some back steps. And then another guy stole her and put her like in a false bottom in a trunk. And I think during that time they actually went and arrested Picasso because they thought he took it. And I guess Mona Lisa's a Da Vinci painting. And so anyway, it's pretty interesting, her story. She's had red paint thrown on her. She's had cups thrown at her. She's had rocks thrown at her. And still she's here. So I guess my question to you guys is, have you ever seen the Mona Lisa in real life? Do you love art? Are you an artist? And of course, some people feel like the Mona Lisa is the greatest painting ever. Of course, if you're a mother, you think your child's painting is the best painting in the world. But anyway, all that being said is let me know in the comments below if you like the Mona Lisa. Remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.